Hello, welcome. Let's have a quick one on this one. This is WASSCE 2024 May-June edition written by the Nigerian. This question is on undefined algebraic expression or algebraic fraction. For what values of y is y plus 2 divided by 8y squared minus 10y plus 3 not defined? We know for algebraic fraction to be undefined, it means the denominator is what? 0. Meaning there is a particular value or values of y. When y assume it makes the whole expression in the denominator to be 0. So the moment that value is placed in, the whole of this becomes 0, making the whole fraction to become undefined. So to find that particular value, we set the denominator to be equal to 0 and find that value which make this fraction to become undefined. So from here, if we are setting this to be undefined, it means the 8y squared minus 10y plus 3 is what? 0. So if that is the case, this becomes a quadratic equation with the coefficient of the x squared or the y squared term not being unit. So we use it to multiply the 3 to have our 24. Then we find the factors of 24. When you add, you will get the middle term, which is minus 10. So since this multiplication gives us a positive and the middle term is negative, it means the two factors must give us a negative, must be negative in order to have the sum to be this. So we can see that minus 6 and minus 4, when multiplied, give us positive 24. When added, will give us a negative 10. So we are just going to introduce those two factors, y minus the first factor, y minus the second factor, the way they are. But don't forget, we multiply by the 8. So now we divide to take care of that 8. So in this case, we can have y minus, when 2 become a common factor, you're having 3 out of 4 in one bracket, y minus 4 becoming the common factor, you have 1 out of 2 equals to 0. Now, the case where you have two brackets multiplying, which equals to 0, it means one of the bracket is 0 or the other one is 0, meaning y minus 3 on 4 is either 0 or y minus 1 out of 2 is equal to 0. So by transposing the constant to the other side, you have y equals to positive 3 on 4 or y equals to 1 on 2. So the values of y, when y replaced with here, will give you 0, will be either 3 on 4 or 1 on 2. And on the possible answer, that will be the option D. I guess we are good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.